Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NUBIA Focus Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and I'll show you how to customize this mode, and after that I'll explain how to have much faster access to it. So let's enter the display option and find the night light. So let's tap on it. To be able to customize it, we have to turn it on, so let's tap on the switcher at the top, and as you can see the screen turns yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. So now you can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left with this switcher you can make it cooler, and by going to the right you can make it warmer. It's almost orange. Of course, set it on the level which is the most comfortable for you, and you can also reduce the white point just by using this switcher at the bottom of the filtered blue light. By going to the low you can make it a little bit brighter, and by going to high you can make the screen a little bit darker. So of course just set it like you want. You can also customize the automatic options, so you can just tap on this switcher here and tap on turn it on automatically. You can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, which means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. Or you can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely choose the start and the end time according to your personal preferences. And as you can see, your device will apply the mode accordingly to the schedule. So basically this is it. This is how to customize and quickly turn on the night mode, eye comfort mode. If you want, you can also have much faster access to this option just by unrolling the top bar and finding the proper icon in this set. Let me quickly turn off the night light. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.